Uh-oh, got caught.
I'm playing chicken. I'm playing chicken. Oh! I'm playing chicken. Ah! Ah! Calm down, darling. Chill out. It's okay. I'm playing chicken. Abby's room is officially decorated. You like it, Edward? Do you like Abby's room? Do you like it?
No.
No, you don't like it? All right, well, I'll work on it.
I bet this.
Being one of them. Okay, my hand's tired.
Fragile. Must be something Italian in here. Oh, eggs.
Ah, fragile. It must be Italian.
I think that says fragile.
Oh, yeah.
Decided to get some Christmas lights up on the bushes, and we'll see if it works. Trying to get some Christmas stuff done today, and hopefully no distractions. Trying to stay focused. So I have a problem, and it's that drip, drip, drip. Always something. But there it is. Let's see what we got. I reckon those are something. So I went ahead and popped those two little black pieces out. They have little springs on them. Bought new ones, put them back in, and now put it all back together. No drip. No drip. I'm just gonna go simple this year. I don't know. Might put some more up. We shall see. So I'm gonna check out these lights that I put up earlier. Not too bad. Looks good. Hey, there's Abby in the window. So Abby and I put some Christmas lights up in the sunroom. There you have it. What's next, Ab? Tell us. What do you want to do next with lights?
I want to put these lights all around the room.
Oh my, that's a big task. I don't know if I can handle that. Hey Edward, what are you up to? Okay. Abby and I are ready to show you the final product. Again, there's the window, and then we did the line of lights across, and then you got to do the fish aquarium, or the turtle aquarium, excuse me. So it all looks well, don't you think?
Yeah.
All right, we're having company this evening, and then a hockey game tonight. Looking forward to it. Let's take a look at the lights from outside. All right, I am pleased with it. This is Abby. She does about 50 of these a day.
Wait, what?
I'm explaining how you do about 50 of those to 100 a day. Hey, one at a time.
What?
Watch Edward.
You want to see this clip? Watch this. Watch this, guys.
Yeah! He did the right melody.
Which song?
Jesus loves me, this I know, for the Bible tells me so.
Good job, Corey. Yeah.
Yes, that's the book for me. I stand alone on the word of God. The B-I-B-L-E. Bible, say Bible. Say Bible. I know you went to Jesus loves me. Say Bible. I can't get past that.
I'm at the wrong ice rink. Got to go to rink number 2. That's Corey right there. Number 8. Come on, guys. Defense. Come on. Stop them. There you go. So that was a really fun game to watch. I wish that I was able to play hockey like that. Anyways, this was a great day and ended it on a fun note. Now it's time to go home and go to sleep. Good night.